In this video, part 3 of the series, How to Start a New Planner, I am sharing how to plan in the Happy Planner. Are you brand new to the Happy Planner? Did you just purchase or receive your very first planner, but you're not sure where to start? How to set up your planner, how to decorate it, and how to actually plan in your planner? Well, you're in the right place. We are going to answer all of those questions. So let's get right into it. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new videos every week about creative planning and productivity. In this video, I'm going to show you a 4-step process for actually planning in your planner. We're going to use this Minnie Mouse Disney Happy Planner. Make sure you watch the first 2 videos in the series to see how we set up this planner and how we decorated for the first week of January. Check out the description box to get your free Power Plan checklist so that you can plan along with me in this video. The 4 parts of planning are super easy to remember. P, L, A, N for plan. The first one is priorities, P for priorities. The second one is L for lists, A for assignments, and N for notes. Those are the 4 things you need to do to plan your week. Let's write them out over here because we're going to use this half sheet paper to write out our to-do list in just a minute. But let's start with writing our plan to help us remember the steps. So P is priorities, L is lists, A is assignments, and N is for notes. These are my 2 favorite pens to use, the Papermate Flare and Papermate Inkjoy gel pen. So, number 1, priorities. You will need the Power Plan checklist to write out all of your priorities in 5 to 6 different categories. Here are the 5 categories that I like to use: self-care, family, household, financial, and goal. And then under each of the categories, you will write out a single list of all of your priorities. Once you have your list of priorities, then you take your half sheet and write out your to-do list for the week. Everyone's list will be different, and it also depends how you're using your planner. If you're using your planner for your general schedule, this will work perfectly for you. If you're using your planner for a specific purpose, then you want to write out the priorities for that specific purpose. For example, if it's a work planner or a household planner. So not to get too complicated, basically write a list of your priorities and then write a list of your tasks for the week. So the next step, now that you've written out your list of priorities and you've written out your list of to-dos for the week, is to assign each task to your planner. So I'm going to grab my other pen here and take my list and assign each thing to specific day and time on my planner. This is so important to make sure you actually get things done on the days that you need to do them. All right, let's start at the top of the list. Workout schedule. When am I exercising this week? Let's say I'll be working out 2 days this week, maybe Monday and Wednesday. So let's put that on my Monday and Wednesday schedule. Remember, it's your planner, so you can write things in however you want to do it. I just like to make sure it's on the day, and I know that I will do that first thing after work. So I'm going to check off workout right there. I've been working on my gratitude planner, which has been so much fun. It's been a gratitude journal. I'll share that in another video. I want to make sure to check off my gratitude planning at the end of each day. So I'm going to add that towards the end of each day here. Next, we'll check that off. Next up, dry cleaning. I will probably have to do something like drop it off on Monday. So let's put that here. Drop off dry cleaning and pick it up on Thursday. Nail appointments are usually on Saturday, so let's put that here. Nails at noon. School will be, let's see, do the kids even have school this week? No, they don't, so we can just cross that right off our list. I will have a day off on Friday, so I usually like to put something fun on here for the day off. Laundry is usually on the weekends. Let's put it on Sunday this week. Work schedule, let's write that in next. It'll be Monday through Thursday. Part of my goal, which normally goes in my goal planner, but for the purposes of this planner, I'll show you where I would normally put that. I've been working on posting 2 videos a week, Wednesday and Sunday, so let's go ahead and put those on here. Usually, if it works in my schedule, I will get gas on Thursday. Next up, of course, the first is a holiday, so let's put Happy New Year on here. We're going to need to do some planning on the first of the year. Your last step, notes, is where you write in your notes each day. You'll write in your work schedule, write in if you've accomplished or didn't accomplish each task, check off your workouts, did you do your gratitude, and what else happened that day? Where did you go to lunch? What did the kids do? What's going on in life and in the world? I like to write in notes like graffiti. I will fill in a lot of the stuff, cross things off, check things off, write things in, add more stickers. Just make it yours and have fun with it. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video to see what to do next after you have set up and planned in your new planner. Leave a comment in the comments section and tell me how you are planning to use your new planner. Stay tuned for part 4 of the series, What You Should Do Next. To get your free Power Plan checklist, which will walk you through the Power Plan system that I use for decorative and functional planning, there will be a link in the description box to the Planner Channel website where you can get that and join the newsletter. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!